Sir, good evening.
Good evening, madam.
Shall we start, sir?
Okay, madam.
Okay, sir. So, good evening to all.
Okay, sir.
We have assembled here for the today workshop on reference management and AI tools for research, organized by Akman Foundation and Seva Academy. So, we welcome you all. We welcome our most respected resource person, Dr. Sadiq Baksha, sir, Professor, Department of Library and Information Science, Annamalai University, to continue his session today also. Welcome you, sir. We are very happy to have you, sir. Welcome you, sir.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
The
So,
session is yours, sir. Thank you, sir.
good evening once again, all the participants. So, let us continue the discussions where we left yesterday. Regarding that AI tools, we have some more AI tools. Just we will have fast look on those AI tools. Thereafter, we will have a discussion regarding how to do the reference management in a easy manner by using some reference management software. Okay, let me share the screen now. Yes. So, yesterday we left the area there, the AI site AI. Okay. Today we are going to have a look at it. So, paper digest. The, the paper digest. When I talk about how the paper digest, it is the literature analysis and search AI tools. It is the rank one tool in literature analysis. So, how can I say? There are about five features it has, though it shows with the two options, literature review and academic writer. Under literature review, five options are there, and academic writer, we can write the paper at our, by using this paper digest, we can write paper also, and it gives quick summary of any article. So what is the paper about, what you can learn from this paper, everything it can be given. So let me show you that paper digest. Actually, it is a type of free tools, I can tell you that. Uh, am I audible, as well as are you able to see the screen now? So this is the, paper digest page, AI page. Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
So actually, when we go for the literature review, in this paper literature review, what can we do? Actually, just how to write the reviews. This is the big question, big task in front of the research scholars. Whether we want to write the reviews, first of all we want to select the particular articles. Otherwise, what we can do here, see, in I am going to write the literature review of literature by using this AI. How can you, let us come to the left side, all areas. When I click here in the all areas, what subject discipline, as I am doing the fresh literature, review on particular article, whether I want to write an article, I want to write a literature review about of that article which I am going to write, means simply, for example, I am going to write on the business, economics, finance, like that, this subject. So here I just write consumer behavior, consumer behavior. Just I have write, I am going to write on consumer behavior on uh, some purchase, grains, purchase of grain, purchase of grain. See, this is what I'm going to write. I plan to write an article on consumer behavior on purchase of grains. So here, what are all the reviews to be written, how it is to be written as a paragraph. It gives an idea. Let me just, I click on that. Now it will suggest it suggests there are 10 relevant papers on the topic which I have given on the, I mean, in the search. And again, not only it gives the suggesting, and it has give the review of related sources. It started writing the reviews also. See, have a look at it. So the first paragraph regarding the, I mean, the second reviews it has taken, and as well as first reviews. So see, it has written the reviews, review of literature. Do you find it or not? See, can you tell me that? So will it be useful or not by writing? I mean, for writing and review of, I mean, you are not going to spend your much of your time to write reviews, but it will extract the paper from the papers. It gives an idea what all the things to be written as a reviews, how it is to be written as a paragraph, and model review also it has been given. We can make use of this paragraph for our review of literature also. So do you find it? So do you, can you tell will it be useful or not for writing reviews? So I mean, so no articles, no AI so far has given this type of paragraph oriented reviews, review of literature. It itself has written. Are you able to see it? We can copy this and we can make use of, and this citations also, in text citations and in text citations also it has been given here. Just we can copy and then make use of in our research purpose. This is one thing I can tell you that. So try to understand. So literature review is the one of the main feature by using this, I mean, this AI. And another one, this is called paper digest. So paper digest one, when you click on here this icon, this drop down menu, second one is deep research. So when we go for the deep research, now listen, in this it will give the, so here as we are going to write an academic article, so here also I just write consumer behavior for your understanding, consumer behavior. Otherwise we can ask questions. So just consumer behavior, I just write consumer behavior here. Now what happened? It has given related sources, and in which journal, what are all the, I mean, regarding consumer behavior, what are that? Then again, it has given a full report as a research report on the consumer behavior with the headings also it has been given. See, for writing article, it will give an idea how you can complete your article by what are all the headings you can make use of. Just see, up to conclusion it has given. Now, my question I have, the question which I have given there, my keyword is very general. That's why it has written like so. And even if you want to give the exact research questions in that particular, I mean, area, here in that, whether you give in the deep research, it will create an article for your purpose. Try to understand. So most of the, I mean, research scholars quite often complain that, sir, I don't know how to write articles, sir, I don't know how to write articles. This problem can be easily solved by this, which one? This paper digest. Try to understand. Any doubt up to this? So even if you want to make any changes here, exact research questions when you give here, automatically it will create a research report, otherwise a model article for your purpose. So with this, when you go through it and you are satisfied with that, means you can go ahead with that same article. Otherwise you can just make a small modification and then you can go for publications also by using this deep research. So that it has 5 features. I have told you that one is review of literature, another one is deep research. So any doubt from anybody? Shall I move further again? Other features of it is. Next one is a research copilot. So here in the research copilot, whether you have any doubt, critical question that you have, when you ask these questions, by using the resources, it will give the answer for you. Now just I'm going for research copilot. What I'm going to write, I mean, create a question here. Just have a look at it. Yeah. Yeah. Now we are discussing about the research copilot under paper digest. Wait, it will give the, I mean, search button. Yeah, the research copyright. Now, here I am going to write does citation of article citation of article really shows its quality. Really show its quality. Just, I mean, what do you understand what my question is that? Whether an article receives more number of citation means, do you think that it is a quality article? Just I am asking these questions. Now, this question has been raised to Paper Digest, and this type of research questions can be given. And this is user what it has having. The system says citation of article are often used as an indicator of influence, and it say, but they do not necessarily directly measure the quality of the work. See, whatever the research questions that we ask, it will give the answers by using the sources which are already available, and it will give the research copyleft is the another feature which will clarify the doubts what we have by means of questions, and even it has given the, I mean, rational answer for our question also. This is also another feature. Next one is search console. This is the, I mean, interesting search in this Paper Digest. Search console, actually this, you can find that. Yes. Now, what it is, if you want to ask any questions, for example, I just ask one keyword I'm going to give. Can anybody give any keyword? Would you like to ask any, I mean, keyword? I want publication, only past week publication, past month publication, past year publication, 1 year publication, otherwise past 5 year. So that, we can get the, I mean, the publications recent, and we can have this type of things. Just again, I'm asking this education psychology. Educational psychology. Just I click on past week. Wait, take time. Yeah. Now I am going to select past week answers only, past week results only I need. So while we write the current articles, now listen, regarding the educational psychology, last week what all the articles have been published. You can see that 10/9/2025, 10/9. So only 1 week article which have been published recently, it has been. Now whether we want to read, just we have to click and we can read full papers. Are you able to understand? So this is the wonderful one. You cannot get only we can, when we go for search means it will give answers from year wise only. But this has been given even week wise, last week, then past month, past year, in such a way it has been given, right? Even we can make the filter also. We can write the dates also properly here, and then we can get. This is what another one. Then last one, digest console. Here you can digest console. This is another feature it has, digest console. With this, which journal, I mean, whether you are not able to get the article from the direct from the journals means we can get from here also by using keywords. Now listen, I'm just asking here a question. So some political trends. Political trends. Just I ask political trends. Political trend. Just I click on that. Now try to understand one keyword I have given. Regarding this keyword, what all the articles have published. Now this journal has published this year journal 2013 and 2016 reviewed this one. You can see journal wise. So in which journal? You need not go to that particular journal to get it. So when we click on that, we can get. So this 2021 from times of transition, what the article has been published. So these relevant articles have been relevant, they are related to our query. These journal have published relevant matters, so we can get it. This is another one feature it has. That is why paper digest is the another best AI can give for. So here you can understand, for literature analysis we have paper digest, and it has best 5 features in it. And one more option it has, I tell you that academic writer, in which you can write at your own. We can just give a headings, it will create the, i mean uh, it will create the articles according to your requirement. So this is what the paper digest. So shall I move further? Regarding the paper digest is over. Do you want to make any clarification regarding the paper digest? You can ask me now. It's free. Anybody, any participants? Are you following me?
Sir, every papers were from high impact fact journals, or it has some other journals, or like ChatGPT, is it hallucinate? It is also hallucinating any issues like that, sir.
Yeah, paper digest based on your research. Queries that we give, it will give whether you want the answer journal wise, it will give whether you want the answer. Data publication wise, it will give even whether you want, whether you expect it to be. Whether you expect the paper digest to write a review of literature at its own means, it will write and give it to you. Otherwise, it will give you one article, ready-made article also, it will prepare and it will give it to you. That's what the paper digest speciality, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, right, actually, quite often the research guide says, read the article, read the article. You have to read more number of article, download and read, then only you will will to understand. But they don't know what are the difficulties for reading of this article. The people may not be able to understand what the particular has article has explained in its content. So in such a case, what happened, that one AI is called a explain paper. So in this AI, whatever the article that you want to read, just you have to upload in it. So we want to upload the PDF of that article. It will explain about the paper. So you need not waste your time, right? So what happened, let us see. Yeah. So this is what the model, I will show you that. Sorry, it takes time to read it. 1 minute. Yeah. Now see, I have uploaded a paper here. So this is what explain paper. So in which the column is given that to upload a paper. Once I create that upload paper, it will upload the paper like this. Now I want to know about, for example, I want to know about this, for example, just materials and methods. Just I want here, I just drag it in, I select it, and I ask it right side, just explain. Just I just want to make it explain. If I click on explain, automatically at the right side it will explain in a nutshell manner instead of reading full paper. So here what that study says and how they have carried out, so how many years of data they have taken, like this it has been explained. See here, so this paragraph I'm not able to understand what they, the author wants to convey you from this article. So you are not able to understand means, just we have to upload this article, and then again what we have to do, just we can ask this to explain. So once again, just listen here. I just ask about what is activity index. I don't know what is activity index. Here this is activity index what the author has said. I just select this one activity index. Yeah, I selected it and I asked it to explain. So it gives what is activity index. Right side, it has given the explanation regarding the activity index, how they have carried out, what the work they have carried out through this index. They are clearly, this AI explains about of that particular content for your understanding. Do you understand what I want to convey you here from this AI? Explain paper is the another AI which will be helpful to you to know about of that article content in detail. Right? Any doubt? Shall I move further? Okay. Next one is, so regarding the explain paper over, let me move to the I'm moving to the next one is word tune red. So Vertune Red is the another, AI. Vertune Red here also we can just upload a paper. Otherwise, we want to write the content. We can paste it and we can ask that here. For example, here I just ask um Indian economy. Just write it Indian economy at present. Now, what happened? It will give, while we want to write Indian economy at present means, now we have to discuss current economic challenges is the heading you can take. It gives an idea. Just if I click on that, now you can understand it will write. So another suggestion it gives, whether you are able to, whether you like this paragraph, you can carry out. Otherwise, further we can go for another suggestion. If you click on the another suggestion, it will give, right? So otherwise we can give, so another suggestion, just we can, it will change the suggestions. So whether you read this paragraph to write an article, the word in read, for example, even this will be helpful when you know, when you are, already you have prepared some article, that article shows plagiarized content, that means plagiarism rate is high with some paragraph. That paragraph can be changed here with this word in read also. Otherwise we want to, write our articles, right? We can write an articles by step with the headings what it has been given like this. This is what the next one, word in read is another AI for your purpose. So far I have explained it today, three paper digest, and next one is the explain paper, next one is a word tune read. So next, shall I move further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one is the next AI, because I have already opened it for, because it takes time, that's why I have opened it on the screen. Next one is the lit map. So lit map is the, we can understand not only one article that we can get, we want to find out what is the, from where that particular author has got the knowledge. What are the other article? For example, I just taken Indian economy since British period. Just I give the keyword here. When I click on that, it will give the picture. It will give the picture like that means, for example, this is the article. A why then I am going to read this article means just I click on one article. Now, all the articles that this person has cited will be shown simultaneously, and it will give the graph also. It will, now it has been taken seed paper only. What it is called, it is seed paper. So this article has, this is article and it has 28 citations, and here you can find this article has that. In the right side you can find the lit map. This is the mapping. Here if I touch this article has the link. He has got the knowledge from this, this article. Whether you want to read this article means, if you click on that, it will, you can get it, right? And again, this article has the, this is the main article and it has a seed like this. Next, this is what, so this is the base article. From this base article, now listen, the article which I have clicked now on planning economic, it is 1965 article. So this article, by using this article, these people of other people have created, they have written some other articles. The paper has been shown like this. So model, I will just show here. This is the model regarding that. Okay. So you can understand that this is called a lit map. Lit map, we can understand what are all the relevant papers. If you get at least one paper from this paper, you can take any relevant papers online immediately with the link here. At the link, you can see this paper has linked with that. This paper has got this much of links. This paper has got this much of link. Whether you want to get all these papers means you can one by one we can get. So this is what this is called a lit map. So this is a, first of all we have to find out the seed paper of your interest, any seed paper. From this seed paper, seed means nothing but the, I mean, grains seed which you can place in the earth for growing. Seed paper only, this is the seed paper, means from this seed how many branches have been emerged. Here also this seed, from this how many branches have been emerged. In such a way we can explore related articles by using this lit map. Do you understand? Any doubt from anybody? This is lit map is relevant articles such as can be easily made with this lit map. Are you able to understand what I want to convey you? Shall I move further after that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next powerful AI tool is Research Rabbit. Research, I mean, for example, if I select one article like this, educational psychology, I just select this article. How many similar works it has? Immediately it has been taken. All the similar works, there are about 658. All the relevant articles will be with the same mapping. It will show like this. So try to understand. This is also equivalent to the lit map. Research Rabbit will give you in n number of articles relevant to your subject. N number of articles relevant to your subject. So nowadays collecting the reviews is that much of easy by using the Research Map, Research Rabbit. Actually, Research Rabbit has not only for collecting the reviews, but also you can write articles also. So you can see similar work, all references, and all citations. If we select the citations also, all citations, right? And who are all these authors, we can select like this. So we can go on adding the papers also like this. So this article, in which position this article is that, from where he has got the knowledge. So this is one, all the relevant articles at one place. The same way, what the lit map we have taken, the same. See, there are about similar works. For if I get one article means, from this there are about 16,658 knots it has been created, networks it has been shown now. From that, whether we want which is the most relevant article for that, for our purpose, we can select. Whether you want to read the article, just click on this article, it will be taking here. So it will show whether the PDF is available. Otherwise, it will show that. So I mean, this one only abstract here. And see this article. Whether I click on this article, again it shows like this. Then this one measuring self, right? And it will check whether the PDF is available. From this, whether it has any similar work, right side it will give. Try to understand. So in such a way, Research Rabbit is the another more powerful one. See, this is what one paper. If I select, it will give, right? So this is regarding connected papers. Next one. So Research Rabbits, the same way. So this is one. I mean, equivalently, I'm telling that in this category, I mean, seed paper and graph mapping. Whether you are interested, you can take lit map is the ranking one, and another one is Research Rabbit. And the next AI is called connected papers. Connected papers. Now, connected Indian education policy. Just I selected the Indian education policy. So I just select one paper. So now it has given the graph the same way what other papers have. What are the connected papers? Now we build the graph. Let's have a look at it. I have selected one paper for which it has, created a graph. Now these are all the relevant papers of that. Whether you want to read the paper, again we can read it. All the, connected papers will be shown here. For this article, what are all the connected papers? So we can see here one by one, all the connected papers will be, available in one places. So only the things from this, research mapping, what can we understand, only we need the best paper, only one best paper when we get relevant to our subject, query, we can get all the relevant papers in a single click, and then we can write reviews together. This is another model. So that is what called a connected papers. So let me show you now. So this is what I have already told, paper digest, explain paper. Sorry. So, so we have seen about of the paper digest. This is the screenshot of that. And regarding that explain paper, this is a screenshot, and word tuned read also, this is a screenshot. And mapping and visualization AI tools, I explained to you now. Regarding the lit maps, I told you that. And another one is research rabbit, I told you. Research rabbit. Another one I explained about the connected papers. So these connected papers helps to find out relevant and connected papers at one place, and it builds a graph of all relevant papers with its connectivity. So alternative to number of citations also we can get it. Just clip a graph, not and show paper and a graph together. That is what connected paper said. And another one is the insightful. So these are all the AI tools for mapping and visualization AI tools. And insightful also to discover paper and connect them. Two options it has. Either we can give you DOI and can see paper details. Connected papers with graph, touch not get that paper. So this is also a insightful, also another AI tool which will be helpful to you for visualization of articles. So these are all the 4 AI tools will be useful to you when you go for visualization AI tools. Next one, this is the screenshot regarding the lit maps. Again, this is the research rabbit screenshot, and this is the connected paper screenshot. And this is what insightful it has given what is the specialty of the insightful, in which whether we click on one article, it will give full details about what is the number of citation, how many people that they are citing, in which year it was published, whether it is open access or not. And in papers and graph we can get. So even in the while it is creates the graph, how many places it has been occupied, and citations also in the graph, and graph strength it has been given. This type of details will be given, and also it has the filters also in it. So another one is AI to paper finder. Just to note down all those things, because if I go on explaining one by one, it will take. I will not be able to complete that this reference management system. That's why I just give you an idea. Note down all those things. And actually, to conduct, one webinar means only 2 or 3 AI tools when we take, and whether you are whether it is an offline mode means we can explain with the big screen, giving you the system. When you do, then you will be able to understand very easily. As I am doing, you are watching, but unless otherwise you do at your own, you cannot be easily understand. That's why just note down, and whenever you have the time, just to open one AI tool and then work it on that, then you can understand freely, right? This is another AI 2 paper finder. So this is the research tool for discovery with a broad and deep. So for my suggestion, I can tell you that paper digest is the best one. And for general yesterday whatever the AI tools I have given you, they are the ranking one, top in rankings. And today's explanation, research rabbit, litmap, and this one paper digest. When you are using paper digest means all your research review problems will be solved. Just to make use of paper digest, it will be highly useful to you. Next one is AI Scholar QA. This is also another. So this is also you can make use of. It will help you. It's using the Semantic Scholar database. It will help you. Next one is Notebook LM. Notebook LM also one of the literature analysis tool. Then DeepSeek AI. Another one is DeepSeek AI. The same way what Chat GPT, we can ask questions with that. It will give answer relevant to our topics. And next one is Avid Note AI. Avid Note AI. This also you can know, just we can ask anything. We can translate from this. Ask we can ask about of explanation about a particular topic also. So we can upload our data and we can ask it to summarize the data in such a way the things are available. Here also you can find that the left side upload a paper, and through which we can get an explanation regarding that paper. Here also we can write a new paper also, right? So these are all the codes are available here in the Avid Note AI. So instead of going for more number of AI, select only few and make use of any few for your research purpose. And academic writing AI tools, and I talk about PaperPal is one AI for academic writing. So this has two features along with. Either we can write at our own. That means it will give an idea, and once we give the topic itself, it will start writing on that particular topic with the heading by heading. So, and even after, whether you have already prepared some article, means whether you upload, it will check grammar also. Apart from that, it will also check the plagiarism also. This is what the PaperPal top in academic writing AI tools. Try to understand PaperPal. So this is one AI tools which will be useful. So three items can be done. One academic writing, next one is grammarly check, another one is plagiarism check at one place. Just we want to paste, otherwise we can have to create article outlines and ask research question, will give result and can copy under apt heading. It will generate title for articles. So see, let me show you that PaperPal. So this is top ranking. See, any one of you just suggest me sign up with Google. We have to sign up with Google.
Emotional intelligence.
Just I will give it a keyword emotional intelligence. It will give the headings. What are all the headings that you can write article. It will generate the headings for you, and even if you ask it to write, means it will give you an idea. Yeah. PaperPal. Yeah. Emotional intelligence, right, madam?
Yes, sir.
Now just try it. Is spell right? Emotional intelligence. Okay. Introduction. Just write a paragraph on emotional intelligence. Now we start writing. See, it has started writing like this. Okay. Preview, it has write emotional intelligence, and only the topic we have to tell and ask it to write on that. Do you understand, madam?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So only that, first of all, we have to create the what are the topics. Based on the topics, we have to just ask it to write. It will start writing. So that's what Paperpal. And even whether you want to check it grammar, we have to upload it at the first. We have to upload that. Here, paste your receive language suggestions or type or just we have to paste it here, and then we can understand whether it is grammar is right or not, and otherwise it will correct it on the screen itself. That is one. Next, size space. In this size space, just type research topic and give latest papers. It will give the latest paper, and it has many options to create column like summary results, as we have seen that LCTI, right? The same method, size space also give. And another one is Trinka. Trinka is another AI advanced grammar checker and language enhanced tool. Is nothing but the Trinka. We can see citation checker also, plagiarism checker also in it, and journal finder also in it. Trinka has this type of features. It has the grammar checker as well as citation checker, plagiarism checker, and journal finder also. Whether you are interested to write just you have to paste your abstract only. It will suggest what journal fit to your abstract according to your abstract. Otherwise, we can upload file for automatic spell correct. Just the full file we can upload. Spell correction, whether we want to spell correct and grammar and then plagiarism, it will correct article, and after that we can download it. That is known as Trinka. Is another AI tool which will be helpful for the research scholars. And next one is OpenRed. So in the same way as we did in the other AI tools, we can search research topics. Full details of relevant papers can get from this OpenRed, and related papers, and even it will show graph also. And it has another features, filters. So we can get most influential article from these filters. We can get it. That is OpenRed. So these are all the academic writing AI tools. Then literature review AI tools, another few other tools are there. Scholarcy, just note down, because we don't have time to go through all those things. Scholarcy, Chat PDF, GPT Kit, and one only just I will show you the Jenny AI. Jenny AI is another powerful AI tools which will help you to write full article in a fraction of second. Only the things you have to spend your time to read the article, read the content what the Jenny gives. Just I click on start writing. Here just we have to click on start writing, and immediately it will ask us to say the heading in under what. Continue with Google. 1 minute. Just I will show this Jenny only. Yeah. So we want smart heading. Yeah. First, emotional intelligence was what you have told. I'm going to write one article in a fraction of second. Emotional intelligence. So here under smart heading, I just click on start writing. I have given emotional. Now these are all the headings it has been given. Now each and every heading, yeah, accept. This heading it has given again with the citation it gives. Only the things whether you read, whether you are okay, then just accept. Otherwise you can try again. It will read again. Accept. So introduction is over. For example, I'm stop here. I'm going to stop here with the introduction. Okay, accept. Okay, now I just go with the background of intelligence, emotional intelligence. See, even that according to the heading, so background of emotional intelligence, just no, so it asks us to improve further. So regarding this, again, significance of emotional intelligence in various contexts. Do you understand how it starts writing? It writes at its own, and even we can see that the citations also, and we can just copy the citations also for our purpose. So it has said 200 words is over, 10% of coupon to help your research. Again, I have to continue with some other mail ID, then it will continue, right? So it asks me to upgrade now to generate more words immediately. Okay, right. So AI, so as I told you now already, this is free to some extent only. So these are all the literature review AI tools. Next one, online AI plagiarism checkers. So after writing, articles, most of now what happened, plagiarism, AI plagiarism checker is needed for checking that. What all the things are available? GPT Radar, originally AI, GPT Zero, AI Detector Pro. So this is what GPT Radar. Yesterday some madam was asking regarding what all the plagiarism checkers are available. Note down this GPT Radar. It is one of the best tools for detecting AI content. It is based on GPT-3 Da Vinci model that can detect whether the content was written by a human or a machine by analyzing the text and performing certain calculation on metrics like perplexity and burstiness. So GPT Radar. So if you want to see it, means I have to go online. So this is the home page of the GPT Radar. So detect agent, just we have to, paste the content here and we have to check it. So this otherwise we have to go for sign up, it will take time. Okay. One GPT Radar, note down. Next one is originally.ai. So it is a plagiarism checker and AI detector that is able to determine if the scanned text was written with an AI tool or also the same. It is the GPT 3.1 Da Vinci. Da Vinci 0.003 actually. So this is also another tool. Note down, originally AI. And why I'm showing this much of, not only one, more than one I'm showing, because it is not free. Actually, it is a subscription based. It will accept only 1,000 words. Means, remaining 1,000 words, what we can do with some other AI also, right? And another one is GPT Zero. GPT Zero is another the same technology that they developed the Chat GPT. Actually, this is free. Actually, the classic version is currently free now. GPT Zero. Another one is AI Detector Pro. AI Detector Pro is a tool to detect whether a piece of content has been AI generated or not. So in its algorithm, the same GPT-3, GPT-4 is used and Bard, and it will give the detailed report also, right? AI Detector Pro. Another one is GPT Kit. GPT Kit is a free. It is a tool, right? It's a free detection tool actually. GPT Kit. You can make use of GPT Kit for your purpose. Next one, copy leaks. So copy leaks is actually it is a subscription based, but what you know, it accuracy is 99%, 99.12, right? Copy leaks. Next one is, sorry, not online. Next one is Zero GPT. It's also free and it's a reliable tool. So actually it detects the origin of any text in depth. GPT, note down. And best tool among all the one, I can tell that Winston AI. So it's a powerful AI content detection solution built for publishing and education purpose. This software analyzes a piece of content, recognizes with 94% of accuracy whether the text was created by an artificial intelligence or a human. So it provides plagiarism detections. So Winston AI is the best tool I can suggest you for checking plagiarism of AI content. Another one is SciSpace Academy AI detector, and it is also accuracy is 98%, but we have to get the subscription. Now, just almost we are going to come to the end of AI tools. Now, do you know that AIs are outdated or not? Now, whatever we are discussing, it is,
Yes, sir.
almost we are at the end level. AI tools are outdated. Do you agree with this or not? Now
Yes,
you
sir.
can ask the question, what will occupy next? That is called AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Now listen. So from this webinar, I just introduced this one. AI or fashion. This fashion gets closed very soon. Now next fashion is going to take hand is nothing but AGI. AGI is nothing but Artificial General Intelligence. So actually AIs are generating the result only. But what AGI do, it will start thinking as human. So AGI is going to think as human and intelligence that rivals human cognition. Okay. Now, again, AGI is the final one. If we ask this question, still it is not final one. But still there is one more fashion is ready to occupy, that is known as crossing the thought of human is the next frontier, that is known as ASI. Try to understand. ASI, artificial super intelligence, is the next generation which will go occupy very soon. ASI, artificial super intelligence. So ASI will do the thing which human cannot think and do. ASI is another model which is going to occupy very soon after AGI. Now, new fashions are ready to occupy. AGI is already has emerged, but only the technology people are using that. Common, it has not reached up to the common people, common level, but it has already invaded in it. Next, ASI also ready. ASI will do the things which human cannot think and do. So what is ASI? It is the technology beyond human imagination. ASI is the technology beyond human imagination. Even we cannot think about it, that ASI will do it. So AI is the fashion that we are still following, but thereafter AGI and ASI will occupy. So here almost we have reached to the end of AI tools. So let us hereafter we are going to discuss about of the reference management system. So up to this, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in between. We will go for next. This one.
Sir, hi, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, we are engineering college students, so we want PowerPoint presentation for our seminar that are up to our marks. So AI will also prepare a seminar for a PowerPoint presentation for us.
AI.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to create PowerPoint presentation using AI?
Yes, sir.
That can be done with Google AI, Google Studio AI.
Okay, sir.
Today I told you, no, just by using, I mean, sharing your screen. By
Okay.
sharing your screen itself, right? You can ask numerous questions to the AI with your, I mean, Gemini, what I have told you yesterday, na? So you
Yes, sir.
can
Yes, sir.
ask, right? You can ask the questions, right? It will give the
Okay.
answer and it will help you to complete your PowerPoint presentation
Okay,
with
sir.
the
Okay.
recent one. Only the things, whether you
Hmm.
want to do some new things, as yesterday itself you have asked that regarding the software and other things. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you
Hmm.
want, I mean, i5 system, right?
Hmm.
Research system you should have, because then only the, I mean, the PPT with the Microsoft recent, Windows 11 even Windows 10 and above. When you make use of that, it will be much helpful to you to be guided by the AI. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
right.
Sir, for
One doubt, sir.
calculating
Yes,
sample
madam. Yes.
size for the research, is there
Hmm.
any app is there
For sample
for
size,
calculating sample size?
yeah, that's what I mean. Julius AI. Julius AI.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday I
So
told you, no, Julius
nowadays,
AI.
when we
Hmm.
So nowadays, when we submit our journals for high impact factor, we have
Hmm.
when we submit our paper for plagiarism check in apps like Turnitin, it also in previous days it only detects plagiarism, but nowadays it also detects the AI content. It is 100%, 99%. So what are the measures to overcome those AI
AI, that's
detection?
what last I have told you, no. Winston AI suggested you to go for Winston AI, right? For plagiarism AI detection.
Sir, with that we
Last,
can able to detect AI content, sir. Any tools to
only that will detect only AI content only. Whatever I have shown you, na, regarding. Are you still seeing my screen?
Yes, sir, those were just to detect AI content, but I'm asking regarding bypassing those AI contents,
Not bypassing. Whether it
like
shows AI
reframing,
content means you have to
reparaphrasing.
rewrite it. You have to rewrite it.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay. So all that.
there are no AI tools from which we
Ah,
can bypass this, sir.
no, we cannot bypass it. It will detect and it will suggest that, I mean, rewriter is there in, I mean, AI tools also. It has rewriter. Do you understand what I'm telling?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just we have to paste the same content at the rewriter and ask it to rewrite it. Then again we have to check whether the percentage has come down or not. Okay.
There were one doubt, sir.
Hmm.
What purpose to use this Litmap Research Rabbit Connect paper, sir?
What purpose?
Litmap எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றாங்க?
Litmap, for example, whether you get one paper, I mean, you have given queries of your research questions. You have given one research question, right?
Okay. Okay, sir.
You are getting 5 or 6 papers, right?
Okay. Okay.
Which is the
Hmm.
10th paper? Which is the best paper? How can we
Okay.
select
Okay.
among these
Oh.
10? Which is the best paper, right?
Oh.
So
Okay,
once
sir.
we get the best paper, what
Hmm.
all the contents are the best? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
That, for that only we can make use of Research Rabbit and as well as this one Litmap, right?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, one doubt,
Okay.
sir. Another one doubt.
Yes. Hmm.
Sir, will you please share the PowerPoint presentation as I already asked?
Hmm.
Yeah, from the end of the session, please share the PowerPoint presentation, sir. It was very useful to us.
So I will, I mean, I will send it to madam by PDF, converting it to PDF. It has lot
Okay,
of,
sir.
I mean,
Okay,
then
sir.
you can get it from madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, right. Okay, right. Now we are going to learn about of how to do the reference management system. How to do the reference management system. Let us see. Now, first of all, what you have to do, every researcher, are you all able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Just note down all those things, whatever the points I'm going to tell. Now, what you have to do, first, we have to come to Google, right? Just I will make it ready. Yeah, I just open Google. Every researcher for last while you write article, otherwise while you write thesis, after every chapter you are required to give the references. Am I right or not? You have to give the references based on the style manuals what the university, otherwise the institution, otherwise the journal suggests. Accordingly you have to change the style manuals also, for which we cannot type at your own. For how to resolve this problem, whenever we want to download the article, means from that beginning itself, what are the main first thing the researcher should do for reviews and writing articles. So go to Google. What you have to do, I am going to explain it about the Zotero. Just type Zotero download. Are you able to see my screen now? Zotero download. Just click on that. Zotero download. In your laptop, you have to either it can be installed in your laptop, otherwise your desktop also you can download. So when you go here, so everybody, I mean, are you able to see the screen now? Download Zotero connector like this, it has come. Now Zotero download, Zotero free download. Just I click on Zotero free download. If I click on, we can get two options in front of us. Zotero, your personal. Yeah. So Zotero, your personal research, when you click, are you able to see the screen? From this, I mean, the training starts, just note down all those things. You can get two Zoteros on the screen. One is Zotero 7 for Windows, another one is Zotero connector. Are you able to see it both?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
are able to see.
First, what we have to do, left side, Zotero 7 for Windows, you have to download this one first. Try to understand. You have to download this one and you have to install in your, I mean, laptop first. This one, Zotero 7 for Windows. First of all, we have to go to which one? I mean, Google, and find out Zotero download and Zotero your personal research. Just, I mean, there is so many Zotero options will be there. Click on Zotero personal research. When you click download, it will show two Zoteros on the screen. One is Zotero for, this is called a Zotero desktop, what it is called actually. Once you have downloaded and installed in your system, it will show like this. Let me show you that. Is that sign? Yeah. Are you able to see that? I dragged here now.
Yes, sir. We are able to see.
In such a way, it will give that shortcut on your screen. Am I making it clear? This is the first step you have to do. Any doubt up to this, anybody?
No doubt, sir.
Now, once you have done such a thing, just click on that, double click on that, it will open automatically. It will open. And next, one more Zotero connector is available that can be installed from this, I mean, desktop itself. No need of going again to the online. Just we can do that activity here also. Now, the Zotero page will be open like this. The Zotero page, it will be blank because I have worked a lot on it. That's why it shows like that. Left side will be blank and this also will be blank like this. So are you able to see this? This is called Zotero desktop. Are you able to see, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
Now it will be blank. As I am using already, I have downloaded, I have worked it with so many folders. That's why it has been shown with so many folders at left side, and whatever the articles are available, it shows like this. But it will be very blank at your first instance, right? Thereafter, what you have to do Now next step, you can click and there are the menus are available: file, edit, view, tools. Now what you have to do, just you can click on edit. While you click on edit, you can just last one, you can just find out preferences. When you click on the preferences, try to understand. When you click on the preferences, it will show this screen, site, like this: general, synchronize, search, export, site. So you have to click on site. When you click on the site, it will show two options below: styles and word processor. Try to understand, my dear friends. Styles
Yes, sir.
and word processor. Just you have to click on the word processor. Just I am going to click on the word processor. You have clicked on the word processor, it will ask Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Word add-in is currently installed. It shows that Microsoft Word add-in to be installed like that. Install Microsoft Word in, it will come like this because I have already installed. That's why it shows that reinstall. Do you understand? We have to click on it. Install Microsoft Word add-in. We have to click on that. This is the next step. Again, I repeat, while you come here, edit, at the edit menu, you can find last one, preferences. When you click on the preferences, this option will be shown on the screen. In this options, you have to select site. In this site, two options will be given down: styles and word processor. You have to click on the word processor, in which you can get this option: install Microsoft Word add-in. Up to this, any doubt from anybody?
No
No,
doubt.
sir.
Once we have clicked on that, give OK. Once you have given OK, we have to cross check whether it has worked it or not, whether the add-in is worked, I mean added or not in Microsoft Word. Open the Word file. Just to open the Word file. Now I have opened the Word file now, blank open Word file. I mean top menus, just to check the top menus. Do you find Zotero menu is available? Zotero option has been given here. Are you able to see it here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the installation process. Try to understand, my dear friends. Very, very easy. Actually, I mean, I will tell you that, I mean, introduction here only. The reference management system softwares are, so many softwares are available. What all the softwares are available, you know? You may be familiar with the Mendeley, Zotero, RefMain, right? In such a way, there are so many softwares are available. Now, Mendeley actually is the best software, but for the beginners, it will take so much of time to learn. But Zotero is the easiest software. Whatever the work that we do with the Mendeley can be easily done by using Zotero also. That's why I explained Zotero. So that, right? So instead of using that, RefMain, actually it is subscription based, and other software is also subscription. Only two softwares are free: Mendeley and Zotero are free softwares available online. Among these, Mendeley is the, more powerful when compared to Zotero. But what happened, you know, that it will take time to learn about of Mendeley, but the same work, whatever that we do in Mendeley, can be easily done with Zotero. That's why I explained Zotero now. So to download the Zotero, just go to Google and just click, type Zotero download. You can get two options there: Zotero desktop as well as Zotero connector. Once you download the Zotero desktop and install it in your system and open it, and just click under edit, then preferences. Once you click the preferences, click on site. After the site, you can find the word processor. Once you click on the word processor, install Microsoft add-in. Then once give OK, then open Word file and find out whether the Zotero icon has been shown on your Word file or not. This is the first installation procedure. Any doubt? Shall I move further now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Doubt.
yes, madam.
Hello.
Hmm.
Actually, I have already downloaded the Mendeley, but I'm still learning it.
Pardon, your
Can I
voice is
use
not,
Zotero
madam,
or
I'm
not?
not able to understand what you are telling. Your voice is somewhat breaking. Tell me.
So, am I audible now? I have already downloaded this Mendeley and I'm learning it, but I'm still not able to like work on it. So can I
So
work
you
with
delete Mendeley.
along with that?
Delete Mendeley from the your system first.
Okay.
Okay. do this Zotero. Try to understand.
Yes,
One
sir.
cannot do with both of the system together, because what happened, once you have Mendeley means, the Mendeley won't allow to add this Zotero into the Microsoft Word add-in as a add-in. It won't allow. I mean, actually it won't know. There will be a conflict between these two softwares. That's why what we have to do, better we can use only one software for that. So those you are using Mendeley means, go ahead. Whether you are not using and it make confused means, delete Zotero, uninstall it, and then you install this Zotero. Okay, madam. Right. Now,
Okay. Thank you.
next step. Let me go for the next step. Now, what I am going to do again, I am opening that Zotero desktop. Now I have come here. Try to understand. One thing I have done it. Now next one, from the edit I have done one installation, but one more Zotero is still pending. Right? That's why tools, click on tools. Once you have click on tools, you can find that install browser connector. Do you understand? Third one, install browser connector. When we click on that, the second software which I see in the Google, on the Google platform, will be automatically installed in the in our laptop system. It will be connected automatically. Do you understand, sir? Either we can download from the Google also, otherwise from this desktop itself we can download the second browser connector also, we can download from here, otherwise we can install from here. Any doubt from anybody?
No, sir.
Right, two things are over. Right, next, now you should go to Google. Now what we have to do, open the new screen. Then whether you are using Chrome, otherwise Firefox, it will work on Chrome as well as Firefox. Now just type Chrome extensions. Right, click on Chrome extension. In the Chrome extension, now in this extension we have to type Zotero. Try to understand. We have to add this Zotero in extension. That is what I am doing now. Just I type Zotero, automatically it will show. Now Zotero connector will be shown. That right, understand? Zotero connector, once you type Zotero, automatically it will show like that, Zotero connector. Just click on that, and you have here the option will add to Chrome. Like this it will come. Already I have added, that's why it has been shown like this. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir. I will understand.
Okay, so we have to connect this Zotero in the extension of the Chrome Web Store. Clear? Then thereafter we have to pin it out. Try to understand. Next step, it will be there in the extension, but we want to show it on the top. That's why what we have to do, we have to pin it out. Try to understand. Okay, so how to pin it out? Here you can, this is the pin. Now what happened? Zotero connector, we have to click on that. Automatically it will be shown on this side, on these places. Any doubt from anybody, sir? This is only installation process. Once you have done, everything is over. Hereafter we have to work. That's all. Simple installation process. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. So now the installation is 100% over. That's all. Shall I start working now by using Zotero now?
Yes,
Any
sir.
other
You can.
participants, if you want to make any clarification up to this, you can ask me, because once we start working on that means we should not go back.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Okay. I have so many AI tools with me, which I have been using extensions. For example, I'm telling you. And if I
You
wanted
just
to use
unpin
only
it.
one
Unpin it. The things which you are
okay.
going to use it presently, you just pin it at the time only. Then unpin.
Okay. So whenever I want this AI tool to be used, I have to pin it whichever I am in use of it.
That's
So
all.
for example,
Thereafter,
if I
just
want Zotero and Grammarly together in the same time, can I pin both at the same time
both.
and
Yeah,
use it?
yeah. You can pin. 5 or 6 at a time. You can pin 5 or 6 tools on extension, right?
Okay, it is not going to confuse me, and AI tool is not going to confuse either. Is
No,
that
no,
so?
no, no. It will show on that. It will reflect on your, I mean, desktop. That's sorry, it is in your laptop. I mean browser. It will just reflect
Okay.
on the browser. That's all. Okay.
For example, I'm checking the article for Grammarly for grammar, and then I wanted to check the same for plagiarism check also. So whichever I wanted, I can pin it, and rest of
Pin
the
it.
thing which
After
I
that,
will
you can
unpin,
just
it will be
unpin it.
staying there.
That's all.
Okay,
That's
okay.
all. Okay.
Thank
Right.
you, thank you.
Any other thing? Any other doubts? Anybody? Okay. Right.
No, sir.
Now I am going to work it on that. Now listen. Now listen. I have to write the reviews now, right? Review of literature. Whenever we want to write article or thesis, this is the first step we have to do, right? So I have already installed that Zotero, I mean Zotero here in my Microsoft Word in only, even in my Word file also Zotero has been added. Now what I am going to do, now I am going to use any AI tools or any other things for collecting the reviews. Am I right or not? Now, for example, with the simple examples, I will tell you that collecting the reviews, usually classical method, what you people are doing, we can go for Google Scholar. For example, the people, Google Scholar. So, for example, I am going to Google Scholar. In the Google Scholar, I am going to collect the, articles for my purpose. For example, any keyword that you can tell me?
COVID-19 or else something.
Yes, COVID-19, for example. Let me see. COVID-19. Yeah. Yeah. Before that, I want to tell you one more thing. Just come back again here. Now, what we have to do, first of all, whenever we want to start any work, any article, for example, I am going to write an article on COVID-19. Am I right? Now we have decided that we are going to write an article on the COVID-19. Come here, open Zotero desktop, come to left side, you can find that folder sign is available, right? New collection. When I touch my screen, cursor on it, it shows new collection. Just click on that. I just give the title COVID-19. COVID-19. Am I right? Now I just give OK. Once the folder has been created here, automatically the screen will be blank. Are you able to see it now, sir? Whatever
Yes,
the
sir.
work, reviews I'm going to collect, it will be stored only in COVID-19. This is the first step. We want to create the which one folders first, under which folder we are going to work for our article. For example, I am writing article means article pages, article 1, article 2 in such a way. Otherwise, while you write thesis, you just, give a folder as a thesis, chapter 1, thesis chapter 2, thesis chapter 3. In such a way, you have to create the folders, right? Now I have created the COVID-19 folder now. As I said earlier, I have come here COVID-19. Okay, sir. Now see, just have a look at my screen. The right side, I just see this is what the Zotero pinned screen. I have pinned the Zotero. Are you able to see that Zotero?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is that. Now COVID-19, I have just typed the keyword. Still Zotero doesn't take that much of seriousness of downloading the article. It is sleeping now, I can tell now. Just I started searching here. Once I clicked here, now I can get the result. As soon as I get the result, automatically Zotero start waking up with the color changes. Do you understand or not? Are you able to see it? Now the color has been changed. Immediately the result has been shown on the screen. The color has been changed as a yellow. Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Now you should not download. You see these two PDF. This 3 PDF has that. An overview of COVID-19. This one COVID-19 immunopathogenesis and pandemic like this. Now to download this article, what we have to do? Click on Zotero, which we have already pinned. I just clicked on it. Now whatever the results have been shown here on the screen, again it has been reflected on the box of this Zotero. Any doubt from anybody?
No, sir.
Right?
No,
Now first one is we have PDF, COVID-19 PDF. This I am selecting. And again, one more PDF is also available. This one, what is that? COVID-19 immunopathologies, right? COVID-19 immuno. That's also I have selected. Then Springer article and overview. Where is that overview? Yeah. Outbreak and overview. COVID-19. This is not pandemic.
Fourth one, sir.
Fourth one. Yeah. And overview of COVID-19. Right? I'm
Yes,
going to
sir.
give OK. Once I give OK, automatically it is saving to which folder? Just have a look at it. Where it is saving?
Before COVID-19
COVID-19 folder which we have created in the Zotero desktop.
desktop. Yes, sir.
Automatically it will be taken. Now, what is that? Try to understand, my dear friends. Now, the work I am going to do, all those things are saving in cloud. Try to understand. Hereafter, you need not take pen drive for all those things. Sitting at any system where desktop, in the desktop, this one is available. You can create with the login ID password also with this one. Right, understand? So these
Yes,
articles will be available always online. Whatever the article we have selected, it will be available always online with the cloud system. There also you can download anywhere in the world. Okay. Now let me check whether it has been downloaded or not in the Zotero page. Now automatically 3 article has come here.
yes,
We have
sir.
selected 3 article. Now
Okay.
what we have to do, just click on one article. Right side you can find all the bibliographical detail has been extracted in a fraction of second. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right side. Now this one, right?
Yes,
This one.
sir.
We have already downloaded as a PDF. That's why right side you can see the small green button is there. Just click on that green button. Again, it will extract fullest detail hereafter. Full detail will be extracted and automatically that PDF will be, whether you want to read the file, whether you double click on that, immediately when you double click on that particular heading, even you can read the full article here itself.
Yes, sir.
So now see, it will go to the full article immediately where it is available. Yeah, it is in Chinese, I think. So translation version abstract is that full paper we can just download PDF. We can download PDF also. Do you understand? So
Yes, sir.
whether you want to read that article also, we can just click on that. Now only because it's reading. Now only the PDF has been updated now. So it will be updated. Try to understand. So this is one method. Okay, sir. One method. Right? And again, so Google Scholar is not only one place where we can get this download the articles. Whatever the AI tools I have told you, from there also we can download, but just we have to click on that pin Zotero, then we can download through that. Now I just go to the PubMed database. PubMed. I just click on that PubMed. So I have come here, PubMed. It is available online, free database. Here also I'm typing the keyword COVID-19. Now so many articles will be shown. Still the Zotero is not, now the Zotero is, now Zotero is ready, right? Do you understand this one? Recent development therapeutic like this, right? Free PMC article, free article available. So let me take this article. These 2 articles I am going to take. Are you able to see, sir? Okay. Shall I take this article, these 2 articles?
Yes.
Give me some time. Okay. Instead of
Yes,
another
sir.
method, I'm going to tell you. Another method I'm going to tell you that instead of selecting this article by selecting Zotero, what I am going to do, there is an ID number given in this PM ID number. Just I copy this PM ID number. Just I copy this PM ID number, recent developments of therapeutics. I just copy the PM ID number. Now Zotero, I just opened this Zotero. Here, do you find that pencil sign? Are you able to see this pencil sign here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just click on
Yes,
that.
sir.
Here, you can paste the DOI number or PMID number, ISBN number. Just when you just paste that, I have just paste that PMID number, enter. That's all. Automatically, that article will be, brought to in our Zotero in a fraction of a second. Instead of copying, that is another method. So only that article, whether you find that article is interesting and need for your purpose, means just I copy that PMID number, then automatically that article will be brought to my system, brought to my Zotero page automatically. Now it has come. Now see, now it has brought here COVID-19 pandemic. Like, what is that heading? You can see that heading is recent developments. Recent development. That article has come here. Recent developments on therapeutic and diagnostic approaches. It has come. Do you know that? Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, sir. Next, again, I go Web
Sir,
of
I
Science
have
now.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a question. So I have written a few articles and I have my DOI number with me. So if I
Yeah,
paste
that you
that
can just
DOI number
type.
here, even that
Automatically,
one
that
will
article
come here.
automatically comes. Only that you want to be online. Okay,
Okay.
madam. You should be online,
If at
right?
all it is not cited or it is not reviewed, also it will come
No problem.
if it is
It will come.
published.
Whether you have DOI means automatically it will come to you. Right? When you know the
Okay.
ISSN number, ISBN number, right? Automatically
Right.
it will come. Right?
So
Again,
do we have to do anything with the ORCID ID here? That is not needed, right? DOI
ARCID
is
ID.
enough,
ARCID
right?
ID is for your purpose only. Author ID. That is
Oh,
ARCID ID is author ID. It is not an article ID.
right.
DOI is digital object identifier of that article. Okay.
Okay.
Right?
Thank
Now
you.
I'm going to take the DOI only, just Web of Science. I just take Web of Science now. Let me go for Web of Science. The same. Yeah, Web of Science. I just sign in it. Yeah. Now Web of Science has been opened. The same keyword I'm going to give here also in the topic. Yeah, in the search documents, I'm going to give the same keyword, COVID-19. For example, first COVID-19. Okay, just I selected it, COVID-19. The results will be shown now. Yeah, these are all the results. Now this is open. Now listen, I just see this article is coronavirus disease COVID-19. Just I click on it. Now I find this DOI number. Just I copy this DOI number. I just copy this DOI number. As madam asked me, the same I am doing now. I am going to take this coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 like this. Now I am coming here in Zotero. In Zotero, again pencil sign. I just click on that. I just pasted that DOI number. Enter. I just entered it. Now automatically that article has brought here into my system. In my desktop, automatically it has come. What is the title of that? We have seen that the title is coronavirus disease, right? Coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19. The article has come here with the all details has come. Okay, sir. Any doubt? Up to this, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. The same way, whatever the article that we only DOI number, copy the DOI number, paste it, you can bring the article in your system, whatever that you need. And apart from that, by chance you have that article but that article is not online. Then what can we do, sir? If there is no problem, whether it is there in the system, you just minimize it. Try to understand. You have PDF and open like this. Here you are, file explorer, and you bring that particular file by dragging that. You can just drag it to the which one in Zotero. Just we have to drag it inside. It will be automatically all. It will extract the bibliographical details separately. Are you able to understand what I'm telling? Already you have downloaded. Otherwise, that article PDF is with you, but it is not available online. Then what can I do, sir? No problem. Whether open your system, go to that file location and drag that PDF to this page. Then automatically it will be brought into that particular folder with full extraction of detail of bibliographic details. Am I making it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is also another one. And apart from that, sir, I have musical collection, I have old books and other things. What I can do? So if it is the case, you can type manually also. You can type just a manual also. Here you can find that audio recording, book section, journal article, newspaper article, link to file store, more. These are all the things you can type manually also. Are you able to see it? Drop down menu. Any video recording, any blog post, artwork, preprint, radio broadcast, software, thesis, video recording, anything else. You need not expect it to be there online, but it should be cited and it should be shown in your references. Means need not worry about it. You just click on that, automatically this side will be blank and the captions will be available. Who is the author, whatever the things, you just type and automatically it will be created. Am I making so clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in such a way,
I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, already I have downloaded and in the folder in my laptop.
That's what I'm telling.
So manually can I add, sir?
No, you need not. Already it is there. Now it is not manual means typing. What I'm telling, whether it is there means you just drag that file and put it in that particular folder. Automatically it will come. Do you understand?
Okay,
you are
sir.
not going to type, but some matters will not be available with your system. You have a old book, but you have cited that book. But how can we bring it as a bibliographical information? So you can, for example, it is a book means just click on book. Try to understand. If you click on book, automatically the right side you just have a look at it. What is the title of the book? You have to type, right? Important things only you can type. Edition, volume, like this. Only important things you can type, and automatically it will be included within that. Do you understand what I'm telling?
No, sir, already research article in PDF. I have downloaded in folder.
That is different. The thing what I'm telling. Already articles are available means in your system, just minimize as I have done and open that file explorer, drag with your mobile mouse and bring it inside.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm talking about, that is one thing. By chance, old books are available, print material, but that print material cannot be in soft form, right? But you have cited something from that printed material means that printed material detail can be typed in manually. That's what I'm telling.
Yes.
Right?
Thank you, sir.
What are the options? I have told you that these are all the options. These are all the options. Actually, for the software, somebody is from the software, engineering colleges. They want to cite the software also sometimes. So you can just who has made the software, what is the company details. You have to click on that and you have to type manually, whether it is not available online. Clear?
Sir, I have a doubt here.
Yeah,
there are few books and articles that are not available in digital form and online. And I tried checking out those things in the booklet form, but even those books were like brittle. I'm not able to take those into references. And there are few references and theses that were asked us to paid. In ResearchGate, when we get into for research, they ask us to pay and see. So like that kind of articles.
You have only references detail. That bibliographical detail. Can you extract that from that? Can you
even sometimes it shows like only this person has written this time, it is available in such and such university. If you want more than that, you need to pay. So that
No, no,
kind
no,
of
no, no.
details.
Actually, references you can get. You can get the
Right.
references also. You can get the
Okay.
references just like, I mean, I will show you that.
Yes, please.
Uh, when you go for this one, no, here, this type of things. Are you able to see this? Even regarding that article, regarding that book, you can find this type of site like this. When you click on that, it will show this information. It will show this information. You just copy this matter. Are you able to see that? You can copy
Yes, sir. Got it.
this
Got
matter.
it.
This is the title you have to type manually. I mean, the author
Okay.
name you have to type manually. Volume, issue number you can type. I mean, edition number, place of, I mean, publication. If you type, automatically we can create the bibliographical data in our HTML format. Right? Understand?
Okay. So we will become the owner of creating it then.
Yes. Wow, that's all. It will be. I mean, it
Okay.
will be available in our system automatically. In future also, we can make use of it.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Got it. Thank you.
And one more thing, why these type of things are done by you by using Zotero, sir? This is a big question in front of us. Why we are doing, sir? Actually, now listen carefully. This is the important matter which I want to share with you. While you go for the review of literature, not only you are going to take the reference of that particular article or something else, and everyone is doing giving the same references in their article also. So what happened? The computer doesn't know except 0 and 1 binary digit. Whatever the sources, it will check with the same author name, same title, and it will say that it is plagiarized. Try to understand, my dear friends. Are you able to understand what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Earlier, previous publications also might have cited the same author, same title, and other things. That's why immediately the system, the plagiarism checker will tell you that you have plagiarized this content. It will show like that. That is why what it is that this Zotero or Mendeley will help you to give the new binary digit number for your references. That's why the system will not offend you that you have copied. Do you understand what I want to tell you?
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, the people can, I mean, those who have the system background, they can understand what I'm telling. Actually, when you just type at your own of references, when you write article at the last references you will give, if you type by your hands with the title, with the author name, everything, dot, full stop, year, if you type at your own, you will be caught with plagiarism. What we have to do, when we make these things properly, this system, this Zotero will make it in the HTML format, and it will give the new binary digit number, so that any plagiarism detector will not find it as a plagiarized, because your number will be, your binary digit number will be new. That's why the plagiarism checker will not show it is a plagiarized content. Am I making it clear? Shall I
Yes,
go
sir.
working now? Now
Okay.
we have collected, for example, we have collected how many items? I mean, 5 items we have collected. Now I am going to start writing article, for example. Now listen here. While you write articles, writing the review has 3 methods. Try to understand. Method 1 is direct quotation method. Second one is indirect quotation. Another one is paraphrasing method. Try to understand. Repeat with me in your mind. First one is direct quotation, second one is indirect quotation, third one is paraphrasing method. This is the method of writing reviews in your review of literature, either in article or in the thesis. In combination of all the 3 methods only, you have to write review of literature. You have to use direct quotation in some cases, you have to use indirect quotation also, you have to use paraphrasing method. How to write reviews by using direct quotation, I'm going to show you. Now listen. Zotero, the first author, this one, first author name, for example, Shiyu, SHIU, Shiyu, right? SHU, this is the author, first you. Now what I am going to do, while I type, I am direct quotation method. uh, Let me change the Times New Roman, right? Broader. I'm just make little bit zoom. Huh? SHI, Shiv, comma, U. In his research, stated that, for example, are you able to see my screen now? What is the direct quotation means? You have to reveal the name of author who has given this idea. When you use the name of the author, you have directly quoted his name. Do you understand? This is the first method. With the quotation, now we have started direct quotation, and we are going to give the reviews of that, that item from his article. And here, as such, what he has said, otherwise you can rewrite something else like this. I am going to type over quotation close. This is the first quotation, first method of writing review of literature, direct quotation method. Anybody, any doubt?
No, sir.
Do you understand? This is the direct quotation method. Now I have used, SHIU idea to in my research with this name directly. I have revealed his name, and after that I have used the quotation mark. Whatever he has said, I have just quoted, and after that his quote, I just close the quotation mark. This is what we are going to follow in the first direct quotation method, and this is called in writing article in text citation. What is the name? It is called in text citation. Now as soon as the quotation is over, follow me properly everybody. Now I have to give the credit to that particular author, Shiu. How to give the credit? I want to make this HTML format. Click on Zotero. Now once we have clicked on the Zotero, it has given three options here. First option, add or edit citation. Now click on add citation. Once you have clicked on that, wait, and it will show you what citation you want to be included. Yeah, it's ready. Some error. Wait for a minute. Yeah, now it has come. Yeah. Once I have clicked, first it asked me what style manual you want. It asked me what style manual it wants. Do you understand? What style manual? For example, usually in writing thesis, we are asking American Psychological Association 7th edition, right? American Psychological Association 7th edition. APA 7th edition. Just I click OK. Now, first we have selected the style. Again click it. Again click on that same. Now, try to understand this type of sign well. Who is the author? I have told you that Shiu. Now we have to type the author name here. Shai, SHI, right? Shai U. YU. It is checking now with our system what are the authors by name Shiu. Shai, SHI, yes. Now listen, this is Shai et al. And this is what Shai et al. This is one an overview of COVID-19, right? I just click on that and give enter. Now automatically according to APA style, the in-text citation has been added. Up to this, any doubt, anybody?
No doubt.
Okay, now I have added. Now again I continue. Now I have given the first method, direct quotation method. Indirect quotation I am going to use now. Indirect quotation. In indirect quotation means I don't want to tell the name of the author at the beginning, right? Now let me see who is the second author whom I am going to cite. The second author is Dhama, Dhama, right? Dhama Guldeep. Let me check. Dhama Guldeep. Yeah, you can see. Now I'm not going to give the name of Dhama here. Some researchers, just I start like this. Otherwise, you can write the synonymical term. Some researchers have revealed the fact that quotation start. Try to understand. Some researchers have revealed the fact that, and I'm going to take the Dhama's work and went on typing like this. I went on typing. Finally, as soon as the matter is over, just quotation close. Now I have to cite it now, right? Now again, I am going to left side and click on the add citation and wait. That box will come Dhama. The author name is Dhama. Let me check. Dhama will come. What article Dhama has written? Yes, coronavirus disease 2019. This is the article. Second citation, in-text citation is over. Any doubt from anybody?
No, sir.
Right? Now, next, paraphrasing method. Paraphrasing method means the findings. Now, I never says about of the anybody's. The findings of recent studies revealed that, and there is no any, now we should not give any quotation here in the paraphrasing method. Yeah. What I'm going to do, there is no any, I'm not going to give you any quotation here. I just went on typing the third method. Like this. I just went on typing. Thereafter, paragraph is over. Who is the fourth author? Let me check here. Sorry, third author. Third author is Yang, Y-A-N-G, Y-A-N-G, Yang. Yeah, Yang, Y-A-N-G. Yes, Young et al. This one, COVID-19 immunization. Yes, I have included 3 reviews now. Again, the 2 more reviews are there. Just for your understanding, I just include that file also. The next one is Majumdar, right? So with the first method, I'm typing that Majumdar, first indirection, Majumdar in his findings said that quotation start, just a quotation close. Now I have to cite Majumdar work, Majumdar and Minko, recent development in therapeutic. Over. So only another work, last work I'm just typing. Few research findings support that. Again, quotation start. The matter. Finally, I'm going to close the quotation. And what is that name of that last author? This one, COVID-19 pandemic, CIOTTI. CIOTTI. Yeah, 48 all the COVID-19 pandemic. Enter. Over. In such a way, we have to give the in-text citation. So finally, after completion, in such a way, you have to in n number of in-text citation you can go on giving. Now finally, we have to give references. For example, now what we have to do while we want to come here, give the references means now you have to come to the second option, add or edit bibliography. Are you following me? Are you there online on? Yes, just click on this one. Add or edit bibliography. Just you click on that. Wait for a few minutes. And automatically all the 5 citations have been properly given the references here in a fraction of second by using APA 7 APA style, American Psychological Association method. It has been cited now. Do you find is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up to this, anybody?
Yes.
Right?
If you want to change it to IEEE format, can we change it, sir?
Yeah, we can change. Now, for example, it is the article we have prepared and sent to some journals. They expected with the APA style, but what happened? Sometimes that journal may reject your paper. Again, you may review it and may send to some other journal. But that journal may ask you to give IEEE references method and the in-text citation also. In this case, what you have to do, now listen to me carefully, madam. For you, I'm telling again, just click on document preferences here. Click the document preferences. Once you have clicked the document preferences, the styles you can change it now. Now the style, what style you want, madam? What style you want?
IEEE.
Are you able to see? IEEE, I just click on that, right?
Sir, IEEE format. Yes.
Yeah, IEEE, I click it. Just give OK and wait. Within the fraction of second, IEEE format, it has been changed. And again, in-text citation also changed according to the IEEE format. Do you understand or not?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So hereafter, you need not worry about of changing the style formats and typing again and again and again the things, irrespective of any format. Now document preference, again I click. Now somebody says that I want nature journal method. Click on nature, give OK. That's all. It has been changed as a nature format in a fraction of second. See, where it is needed bold, everything has been changed in a fraction of second. And again here superscript, the citation, in-text citation has been changed as a superscript in fraction of second. And you know that there are about, what is the Zotero is specialized with, you just click on, there are only few formats have been given here. Whether you need any particular format, there are about 10,500 formats are there. 10,500 style manuals are there. You can just click on manage styles. You can click on manage styles. Now get additional styles. Get additional styles. Click on get additional styles. You should be online. And do you understand? 10,680 style found. Say how many? 10,680 styles. Whether particular journal may ask this style, academic or medicine, you just, if you click on that, the style will be shown here. If you click, it will come to that box. From that box, you can select it. So it is arranged alphabetically. Control F. What style manual you want? Just come here. Control F. You can go to that particular style manual, and then automatically. So for ACM journals, for example, ACM transaction, this method we have to take like this. Am I making myself clear?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt from anybody?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, for engineering colleges, placement is like a banyan tree. Can we take from interview questions from journals and put it on the AI?
Interview questions you wanted. So yesterday
Yeah.
I told you the what of that is, Solvely AI.
Yes.
So there also AI quiz is available now, quiz, AI quiz. So
Uh,
you can take that, you
uh,
can paste it and ask it to create the questions.
okay, sir.
Right? From there you can get it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So regarding this one, now Madam, we have almost reached to the end point of our, session. So I have explained all the AI tools, and as well as today I just go a little bit faster because only AI tools. Whether we look at this concept of reference management will be, leaving. That's why I come little bit faster, and I have explained the things the about of this the reference management detail. I have shown the reference management detailing. And any doubt you have, now is the time for interaction. If you want to ask any questions, you can ask me.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, for our references, this recording will share or else what we do.
Pardon? I don't understand what.
Sir, for our references, the AI what you told so far now from yesterday itself, we can take it as a notes or something. So will you give it or not? So sir, I ask.
I don't catch your point. What exactly you expect from me?
Sir, I am
Otherwise,
tolding. தமிழ்ல சொல்லட்டுங்களா?
சொல்லுங்க.
சார் இப்ப நீங்க இது வரைக்கும் சொன்ன எல்லா ஏஐயும் ஒரு என்னென்ன ஏஐ சொன்னீங்கன்னா ஒரு இதா கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்னு சொல்றேன் சார். வேற எதுவும்
அதான் நீங்க இது கேட்டிருக்கீங்களே, பிபிடியா உங்களுக்கு அந்த பிபிடி வந்து உங்களுக்கு நான் ஏதாவது பிடிஎஃபா மாத்தி தந்துடுறேன்.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே.
Right.
Sir, I have something to ask here. Yeah, in my paper, I would like to add a video recording link of somebody which I have taken an interview. Can I add this link also in Zotero?
Yes, I told you now. Manually, that video, whether you have the link means you can paste that link in the manual method. As I told that, in Zotero, did you look at it or not? I think you missed it to see it.
I think so.
See. Are you able to see the screen now?
It's yet to start.
Yeah. So this is the Zotero screen. Are you able to see the Zotero screen? Zotero desktop.
Sir.
Here, the plus sign is available. In the plus sign, when you click on that, audio recording. Do you want video recording, audio recording?
Yeah, both, sir, both. It's an interview which will be taken.
Yeah.
So I want both audio and video.
Yeah, audio recording. When you click on more, see at the last, you can find video recording also.
Okay.
Once you click on that, manually you have to type that recording and you have to paste the link there, right?
Okay. So it is not necessary that the link has to be online, right? It could be even in my own format and I can paste it.
Yeah, you need not. It should not be online, right? You just these all the things manually you have to type. Okay?
Right, got it.
Okay. Yes. Any other doubts, sir? Anybody? So will 2 days we have spent, we have shared our knowledge for in 2 days. I hope that you people may have understood a lot of things. Do you find interesting these 2 days?
हेलो एसओबी सर, मुझे ये मालूम करना था कि हम जो एआई से मतलब जो भी डाटा लेते हैं तो उसको किस तरीके से ह्यूमनाइज किया जाए, उससे कोई सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह या किस तरीके ऑनलाइन साइट ऐसी कुछ?
डेटा माने क्या डेटा लेने जा रहे हो आप?
जो भी मतलब हम फॉर एग्जांपल अपने पेपर लिखने के लिए हमें कुछ ना कुछ इधर से लेना है।
नहीं, अभी आप जो है आर्टिकल डाउनलोड करने जा रहे हो, और क्या करने जा रहे हो आप, क्या डेटा माने आप क्या कहने चाहते हो, डेटा में क्या लेने चाहते हो आप?
मतलब कुछ भी प्रोफेशनल लाइन है या कुछ जो मतलब चैट जीपीटी है या एआई से जो भी हम लोग कुछ लेते हैं तो उसको ह्यूमनाइज करना किस मतलब किस साइड से रहेगा, कैसे कर सकते हैं?
तो क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं है। आप मान लो मैंने कल जो ये बताया था, आप एक डाउनलोड आर्टिकल डाउनलोड कर सकते हो या तो दूसरा कोई इंफॉर्मेशन डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। ये इंफॉर्मेशन जो है आप किस चीज के लिए यूज करने जा रहे हो, बस उतना ही है। ह्यूमनाइज माने व्हाट इज दैट ह्यूमनाइज, इट इज नॉट इन द, ये जो है कोई कोडिंग में नहीं है। दैट जस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक दिस एज ए इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट्स ऑल। ये पैराग्राफ जैसा होता है, आर्टिकल होता है, बस इसका हमारा आर्टिकल बनाने में यूज किया जाता है। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ह्यूमन इज, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। आपका क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं है। हेलो, अनम्यूट करो और बात करो। ओके, so if you want
Sir, is
to
there any
like,
chance to get software journals and web of
Sir,
science journals, sir?
sir, any
yes,
Scopus indexed
Sir.
journalist suggest me, sir, paper
madam, that is
publication.
the second, that is another session which, last time also we have had that session. If you go for that means it will take again one more hour. That is different. We are talking about of AA and reference management. Any questions relevant to these two topics you can ask me. That is different topics.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, any Scopus indexed journalist suggests to paper publication, sir.
Madam, that's what I'm telling.
Okay.
According to your context, it is searched in different manner. Okay. And that is different topic. Actually, when we enter into that topic, it will take again half an hour to 1 hour time.
Okay.
How to find the, journals in Scopus relevant to your topic means again, it will take time to go through that with some, online training I have to give.
Okay, sir. Thank
Regarding
you, sir.
these 2 days classes, regarding AI tools, as well as this reference management system, Zotero, you can ask me questions.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right? Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, one small request, sir. Actually, I came across your profile yesterday, sir. I'm writing a paper on systematic literature review and bibliometric analysis. So I came across your paper that you have wrote bibliometric analysis on scientific research on sustainability and impact of social
It is
media
there in
on
Web of
higher
Science.
education. Sir,
Yes.
my request is yes, sir. My request is in upcoming sessions, you kindly teach those softwares and methods, sir.
Madam, that is solely for library science.
We will have.
Yeah, that is only for library science softwares. That is different. Okay. If I teach that library science software means, some participant from engineering has come, some participant from some other subject has come. They may not, able to understand what. That's why that is different specific topics. Huh? Whether we have session like that means in which we will discuss.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sinha ji, आपने कुछ
Good evening, sir. First
good
of all, thank you so much for your wonderful lecture across this last 2 days. Sir, you have taught us about so many of these AI tools. I would like to ask you, if we were to choose at least one best AI tool among all these for writing a literature review, sir,
Right.
which
So
will be it?
paper digest, I can tell one, right?
Okay.
LCTI, right? LCTI, paper digest. These two are the best I can tell.
Thank you, sir. And one more query, sir. Can these two be used for writing? This literature review in a narrative form, which I will humanize later. I'm not going to write it exactly as it comes out in the this thing in the AI tool. I will humanize it. I will rewrite it, paraphrase it, whatever.
Yeah, you
so,
can
but sir,
paraphrase.
can it come out in a narrative form, say within a prescribed amount of say 500 words, 1,000 words, like that, if we give the prompt properly?
Yeah, that's what whether you want the prompt means. I mean, to minimize that content means just to go to Chat GPT.
Okay, sir.
You just, I mean, give that content and ask it to minimize in 500 words.
Okay, sir.
It will give. It will take
Okay.
it and it will extract and give it to you in 500 words.
Okay, sir. So you're
Okay.
saying that these two can give the literature review in a narrative
Yeah,
form, in an
yeah,
essay type
narrative.
form.
Yeah,
Thank you,
that
sir. Thank you so
paper
much.
digest, I showed you today. No, I
Yeah,
showed
yes,
paper
yes.
digest. It writes reviews on behalf of you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Right. Thank you. So any other, कोई और कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हो?
हेलो
जी
सर,
यस
मेरे को ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड मैपिंग के लिए कोई एआई टूल सजेस्ट करिएगा सर।
ज्योग्राफी के रिलेटेड यही टूल्स माने आपको आर्टिकल्स
मैपिंग के
निकालना है?
लिए, हाँ जी, मैपिंग के लिए सर, एग्जैक्टली।
मैपिंग के लिए
जी सर।
मैप वही लिट मैप ही चलेगा आपका, लिट मैप, रिसर्च रैबिट।
ओके सर, लिट
ओके,
मैप ठीक है। जी
लिट
जी,
मैप,
थैंक यू सर।
रिसर्च
हाँ
रैबिट।
जी,
हाँ, ओके
थैंक यू सर।
ओके मैडम।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much.
So I
Sir,
have to thank you that you have given extra time today.
Yes, sir. Actually, it is 1.5 hour session only. As yesterday, we ended the session before in time as requested by the participants. So we have
Okay.
extended it today. And sir, you have delivered an exceptionally informative and well-structured session that provided invaluable sights into modern AI research tools and reference management techniques. Your comprehensive coverage of practical tools like Paper Digest, Zotero, and various AI writing assistants, combined with clear demonstration, made this session truly beneficial for enhancing research productivity and academic writing skills. So what the AI tools what we have seen today is Paper Digest, WordTune, academic writing tools, AI content detection tools, tools like LitMap, Research Rabbit, Connected Papers, PaperPal, etc., and reference management, Zotero installation, citation methods, managing references, and citation styles. All the topics you have covered were very interesting and it was practical applications. Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful session.
Thank you, madam. Thanks all the
Sir,
participants.
we will have another session. Please recommend a topic for another session, sir.
Okay, just I mean, with the, I mean, hereafter, we want to go for some people are they are asking specific content. Specific content means we don't know how many people are there on that specific disciplines. So actually, these are all the, I mean, common disciplines. We can go ahead with that like this. And for specific disciplines, we have a lot of things to be discussed. But I mean, how many participants will take care? I mean, join. I don't know what of that for a particular discipline means. So still, we will have some of the, I mean, general point of view discuss. We have some of the topics. We will discuss it later. And I have to thank all the participants who have been with us and they actively participated and interacted with us in the sessions. So it is a good thing, and even it has motivated me also to interact with them, to give more information to them. So it's my duty and it is my privilege to thank you, madam, for having, given me the opportunity to meet, the other colleagues on this platform. So once again, I thank for the Acumen Foundation as well as Madam Sailila, madam, for your support that you have extended. And also, I thank all the participants for having joined with us in this webinar. And I expect you. So whenever there is a webinar conducted by Acumen Foundation, it is really useful topics, and I never accept everyone, but only with this, standard people that I join with them, and we exchange our knowledge with these people. So thank you everyone for having joined with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
It's our
sir.
pleasure,
Thank
sir. It's our pleasure. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
ma'am, one question, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, we will get the certificate, ma'am.
Yes,
Or
yes.
okay, okay. When, ma'am? On next.
2 or 3 days. Maybe
Okay,
Monday or
okay,
Friday.
okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, will you share the whole class PPT?
Yes, yes. What you want?
Class PPT presentation.
If sir share with me, I will be sharing. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Sharing afterwards.
Even the actually recording is available. With that recording also you can see again.
Yes,
It
sir.
is there on YouTube.
The YouTube link, it will be available all
yeah,
day.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Please share the YouTube link also, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Tomorrow I'll be sharing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Those who have finished filling the feedback can leave the session.
Ma'am, is there any WhatsApp group for this?
Yes, I think you are in WhatsApp group.
No, ma'am.
Your name Fazila?
Yeah.
Send the link. But that WhatsApp group is only for updating the information. No other files or anything will be shared because many people are there. So it is only for communication purpose.
Then, ma'am, where will you share the YouTube link
Only
and
to
other?
the mail. All the things only to your mail.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Just for information. Thank you so much.
You message me, I will give you the link for WhatsApp. You can join tomorrow. You WhatsApp me, I'll give the WhatsApp group link for you.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Stay in the WhatsApp group, okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Any other doubts?
Ma'am, when will be the session?
Akshit, you are so in what to tell. ரொம்ப ஆர்வமா இருக்கீங்க அக்ஷித். நிறைய ஏஐ டூல்ஸ் பத்தி படிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க. அப்படிதானே?
Yes,
அக்ஷித்,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
இந்த குரூப்ல இருங்கப்பா. நிறைய நம்ம ப்ரோக்ராம் போட்டுட்டே இருப்போம். உங்களுக்கு எதெல்லாம் சூட்டபிளோ அதெல்லாம் நீங்க அட்டென்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஆனா வாட்ஸ்அப்ல வந்து இருங்க. எந்த குரூப்ல இருக்கீங்க?
மேம் நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் அந்த லிங்க் டச்
அதுலயே
பண்ணனும்.
இருங்கப்பா. அதுலயே இருங்க. நாங்க ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் போட்டுட்டே இருப்போம். ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு சூட்டபிளா இருந்தா நீங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணலாம்.
ஓகே மேம்.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Yes, those who have filled the feedback form can leave the session.
Ma'am, I can't fill up the form, ma'am. We got stuck. Can I fill up later and send it to you?
No problem, no problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, thank you all of you. I'm ending the session now. I'm ending the session. We will meet in some other program and your certificate will be dispatched to your mail in 2 or 3 days or Monday. Mostly you'll be getting your certificates on Monday, I think. So thank you. I'm ending the session.